According to a Market Watch guide, Florida ranks second highest in the nation for average car insurance coverage. But after years of soaring premiums, drivers are finally seeing some relief when it comes to car insurance. State leaders announced rates among the 5 largest insurers in Florida dropped by an average of 6.5% this year. Fox 13's Kylie Jones is joining us live with what drivers need to know. Kylie.
Well, Haley, state leaders say last year the top 5 carriers here in Florida saw an average rate increase of more than 4%, and in 2023, nearly 32%. The state says this rate decrease is a promising sign for millions of drivers. Being an insured driver in Florida comes at a high cost.
Prices have gone up. Prices have gone up. I haven't seen the cuts.
Millions of Floridians have seen rates soar over the last few years.
This is insane. I've been paying double for this long when it was just an easy click with Progressive, and bam, I'm paying half.
But drivers could see companies pump the brakes on rate hikes. The State Office of Insurance Regulation says rates among the 5 biggest carriers in the state dropped by an average of 6.5% this year.
I think most Floridians on average might save $60 to $100 a year.
The big 5 are Progressive, Geico, State Farm, Allstate, and USAA, all making up about 78% of the market. Insurance experts like Lisa Miller say the decrease is driven by legislation passed in 2022 and 2023.
They basically took out the incentive for what the governor called billboard lawyers, to sue insurance companies.
Miller says before this new law, the floodgates opened to thousands of lawsuits, in turn driving rates up.
The new laws basically said that if you're going to sue your insurance company, you need to have skin in the game. And so you would work with your lawyer, but it's not going to be automatically that the lawyer's fees are going to be paid.
The state insurance commissioner is optimistic about rates staying on this downward trend.
It's impossible to say what's going to happen in 6 months or 12 months or 18 months, but all the indications are that we'll continue to see good news develop over time.
The message to drivers, there's never a bad time to shop around.
It feels like we're being cared for. They're listening to us, to all of the drivers.
And now insurance experts do believe that the state legislature will continue to monitor auto insurance rates as carriers adjust to these most recent changes. Their best advice to drivers, though, again, shop around, get in touch with your insurance carrier and find the policy and company that fits you best. Haley.
You never know what kind of savings you might find when you check around. All right, Kylie, thank you.